In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install and uninstall Homebrew on your macOS device. Hello everyone and welcome to D22 channel. My name is Doudou, and in this quick tutorial, I will be going through installation and uninstallation process of Homebrew on a macOS device. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that red button to show me some support. So back to our main topic. In this quick yet simple tutorial, I will first uninstall Homebrew, and the reason why is that after I installed some common libraries and a local folder, and whenever I try to build certain Homebrew formula, I get a couple of warnings and errors. So if we run this command brew -doctor, it will display all warnings and errors. Therefore I decided to uninstall Homebrew and reinstall it again to make things clean and without errors. Begin by open Homebrew website brew.sh, and from here we can see this command, which is basically meant for installation. But with the small text changes, we can make it also for uninstallation. Go ahead and launch your text editor app. Copy paste this line here, and all we have to do is writing down uninstall instead of install. And that's it. And all we have to do is writing down uninstall instead of install, and that's it. Back to your terminal window, grab that modified command line and paste it here. Hit enter. And confirm your action with yes. And then with your sudo password if it is asked. Hit enter again and wait for the process to complete. And that's it. Double check if we still have any brew package installed by typing brew --version. You will get this warning. Now that we have uninstalled Homebrew, let's go ahead and install a fresh package. All we have to do is copy in the command from the website and paste it to our terminal. Confirm with your sudo password if it is asked, and wait for the process to complete. If this is your first time installing Brew, it might take more time to download and process the installation. Just be patient. Once again, double check by typing brew --version. You will get the installed version of Brew 2.4.7, which is basically the latest version of Homebrew. Then let's check if we have any problems with the installation by typing brew -doctor. And as you can see here, we have to link some libraries. Simple as it is. Copy paste this command followed by the destination package. Hit enter to link. Let's check again. I still have something to fix here. After all, everything is self-explained with this warning. We just have to follow what is mentioned and that's it. I will check one more time. As you can see, we have no more warnings, which means that Homebrew is perfectly installed and ready. Alright, this is it guys with this tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to put me a message. By then, thanks again for watching. My name is Doudou and I will see you in my next video.